This is where tequila comes from. Para vida de hacer tequila artesanal tenemos que esperar que esta planta crezca 8 a 10 años primero. After 8 years of growth, okay? That's what we use here to make tequila with. So we don't use brown sugar, like a lot of companies. We're not going to mention any brands, so we don't offend anybody. We don't know what they are. No vamos a mencionar marcas de tequila hoy, amigos, para no ofender a nadie. Días y 3 noches para que se torne un poco más manejable y sacar la miel. Esta miel la dejamos fermentar 10 días. Es como el tepache, ¿conoces? And then we can process it. So, do you guys know what rouge is? How about moonshine?
Yes.
Okay, now you know where I've been, right? Amigos, the reason why moonshine is illegal or unfit for human consumption is because it could contain impurities like methanol, and that can make us go blind. So it's a serious thing. We have to give it 2 distillations by law. So amigos, follow me over here.
Male and female, all the babies are growing around it. It will grow on its own. That's the same root. It will pop out. Then you go ahead and use a special Mexican automatic crush. It will be the stone wheel here. We'll be crushing it down. This will be identical like wine. You add water, then all your life. Do this. Try it. You're at home. You can do anything you want here, okay? Okay, so now this is a natural distill. This is an upper-coated coil. That coil separates alcohol like it is now. Bad water goes back down. Why alcohol separated from water? Remember, alcohol is lighter, water is heavier. First distill 200 liter, converts it 100 liter. Those 100 liter contain a natural gas methanol. You put it back in, do not drink it. 8 months to a year, your vision. Why? Because we only make 20 to 30,000 liters a year. Big companies, why we call it companies? Because they make $500,000. Put it on a barrel, American white oak. They're fully charged. The inside. It will pick up the color from the wood. If you take 2 pieces or 3 of wood, put them on a container with water, it's not going to be the same after 5 days. 3 year. French white oak barrel. Whiskey barrel is my favorite. The añejo. The older it is, the better it gets. So now we're making 20 to 30,000 liters a year. So now we're going to go to the best part. We're going to go to the tape. Okay, we got let me have I'm gonna inhale. Exhale. I down it.
Cool.
I didn't do it right. No. Okay, so we're going to try now. We're gonna start with tequila liqueur, almond, amaretto. This guy.
Dangerous.
Yeah. No, this is not like wine. You could be drinking better than Kahlua. And I'm sorry, Seattle, better than Starbucks.
Oh.
One more toast, just like this. 1 tequila.
1 tequila.
2 tequilas.
2 tequilas.
3 tequilas. My best one, 3-year añejo. The older it is, the better it is. Okay? Añejo will be my Cadillac. I've been drinking it for 20 years. Okay? I just love it to tell everybody that I'm a tequila certified drink. My 3 girlfriends, my tequila, that will be 4 girlfriends right there. You want me to stop or you want me to keep on going? And what it is? Coconut tequila. 12% only. And I'm sorry, the last one, we still have coffee. We're going to go ahead and do one more toast. Ready? It says like this. Arriba!
Arriba!
Abajo!
Abajo!
Al centro!
Al centro!
Y pa dentro.
Y pa dentro.
That was up, down, center, enter. Inhale. Exhale. See, my English is getting better when I drink more tequila. Salud.
Salud.
Welcome home, okay? Welcome home. It has sugarcane alcohol. If foam disappears right away, it's 100% pure agave Don Tadeo. Foam will disappear right away. See that? That's step number 1. Step number 2, look for this here, the seal. It's from the government. If it doesn't have it, you're buying 99.9 sugarcane alcohol. You're buying moonshine. If it doesn't have it, you cannot take it home. All my bottles have it. Why? Because we're registered on the government, on Hacienda, the tax collector, this and that. Otherwise, they will come and shut up the plant. They will say, hey, you guys are not paying taxes. You're screwed. Not even if you have a lot of money, you cannot open the place. Not like old days anymore. No. Now the restrictions apply. Inspection, CRT, Consejo Regulador Tequilero. Council Regulatory of Tequila. They're the bosses. Now they will be the boss, the main owner, but there's another boss. Because when you cook agave, we have to have a green light. They have to say, okay, the agave is good. If they say no, the agave is bad, they have to go and throw it away and bring another load. They're really picky on, it's really secure. It will be like OSHA in the States. Okay? Third step, on the back of your bottle, it says here, normas, CRT, NOM, CRT, 14 will be the serial number of Tadeo. They have to have this. Made in Mexico, hecho en Mexico. This here. Okay? Look for this in the bag. If it doesn't have it, don't even worry about buying it, okay? See this?
What does it have?
Okay, this here. That's number 3 steps.
Take a picture of that.
I got it.
Got it.
If it doesn't have serial numbers, this is the serial number right here. NOM, normal CRT 1419. That means CRT means Council Regulatory of Tequila.
She said it has to say 100% blue.
It has to say 100% blue agave, natural. That's why. Shake your bottle.
Where's that?
Foam disappears right away. That's 100% pure agave. You get a 10% discount. When you buy 3 bottles, I'll throw in 1 free. Buy 3, get 1 free. You buy 4 bottles. When you buy 4 bottles, man, that's strong. That's a heavy duty promotion right there. Let me have a shot. Excuse me. Sorry. I have to keep on working. This will keep my energy going.
Okay, Yura.
Okay. Wait, I didn't do it right. Let me do it back again. When you buy 4 bottles,